Hello. In this tutorial, we will talk about the changing of the environment. You know how important, how interesting it is, and how problematic before AI when we should, during the calls or discussions with our client, we try to understand what can we do outside, what can we do with the environment, what we can offer, because it's quite important topic. And here we will discuss how easy and how interesting it is to test and play around with that. We'll show you generally during the webinar, during those tutorials, information, how can you do this. As you see, everything's perfectly matching. Of course, our best favorite NanoBanana Pro. Of course, we will discuss problems, how to do that. I'll show you the examples, I'll give you the files, and of course, we'll make some engine selections, which engine is good enough for those options. So here you'll find option where we made a pool. Here we have a quite typical street option. Here the perspective was changed slightly, but yeah, it looks very good. It looks quite interesting. Here we have a quite typical illustration when we are trying to put our architecture to some, building complex. And here you'll find, of course, our more advanced level where we have reference source and where we try to work with this reference source and change the environment with the reference file, and it works with the nodes. As you know, we try to connect the information from our source file and from our reference file, or you know what I mean, and we received quite interesting results. Also, as you see, the details and the level is very good, very high. This one is not so good example, but also worth it to understand. Here you also see some interesting changes in the images. And as you see, those prompts are quite good because we used them for other buildings and it's working. So no worries, you will learn how to do that. And this will be very useful for you to understand how fast you can offer your clients, your boss, different ideas of the environment without re-rendering your project and without, without long time waiting. So see you in the next tutorial, and will be our topic about the environment. Bye.